Cops are now trying to figure out if there was 2 persons involved in the killing of Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police detectives investigating the murder of Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield are pursuing leads that more than one person may have attacked the 59-year-old medical doctor and Member of Parliament for Eastern Portland. So far, detectives have reportedly recovered 2 knives that were found with what appear to be traces of blood at the murder scene inside the Member of Parliament's Paisley Gardens, Portland home. Both knives and a blooded black vest, which was recovered along a pathway about 200 meters from the MP's home, have since been sent to a lab for testing. Investigators are pursuing the belief and possibility that more than one person might be involved in the stabbing death of the Member of Parliament. Additionally, the investigators are theorizing that the medical doctor had been desperately trying to flee from his attackers. Sources have revealed that when the MP's body was found, his head was partially underneath a bed in his bedroom. But according to the source, although investigators are following strong leads, a missing cell phone could possibly be a key element in assisting with the probe being carried out by detectives from the Major Investigation Division, MID. Another cell phone belonging to the MP was recovered at the house, along with items of jewelry. Dr. Bloomfield's nude body was found approximately 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, February 2nd, with 20 stab wounds at his house, along with traces of blood leading from a bathroom to his bedroom. Investigators have theorized that he may have been killed about 1 a.m. on Saturday.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.